everyone. As you all know, there are many ways to find the LCM. We have already learned how to find LCM by listing the common multiples. Today we are going to learn finding LCM by Prime Factorization Method. So let's start. So we will take the number 10 and 15. So we will find the prime factors of both the numbers. So let's start 10, and the prime factors of 10 are, so which is the lowest prime factor? That is 2. 2 is divisible by 10, so we will get 5 here. Another prime factor is 5. So the prime factors of 10 are 2 into 5. Yes. Now we will find the factor of 15. So let's do it. 15. Yes. Now 2 is not a factor of this because 2 is not divisible by 15. So let's take another prime factor, that is 3, which is divisible by 15, and we will get 5 here. Another prime factor is 5. So the prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5. Now the next step is we need to make the table like this. What are the factors present here? 2 is here, so we will write 2, yes. 3 is here, so 3 we will write. And another factor is 5. These all 3 numbers are here. And now we have find the prime factors of 10 and 15. So we will write 10 here and 15 here. Now we will see how many times 2 is repeated in the prime factors of 10. Only one time. So we will write 1 here. 3 is not present here. So we will write cross here. And 5, yes, 5 is present one time. So we will write 1 here. In case of 15, 2 is not present. So we will put a cross. 3 is present only one time. So we will write 1. And 5 is present only one time. Yes. So this table is completed. Now we will see how many times 2 is repeated. We will see the maximum number of time is repeated. So in case of 15, 2 is not there. But in case of 10, 2 is repeated one time. So we will write 2 one time. And here 3 is repeated one time. The maximum number of time is one time. So we will write 3 one time. And the 5 is also repeated one time in both the cases. So 5 is also written one time. If we multiply all these numbers, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 30 is the LCM of 10 and 15. Let's do one more sum. Now we will take the number 12 and 18. Yes. So we will find the prime factors of 12 here. Starting with the lowest prime number, that is 2. 2 6 are 12. Now another prime factor 2, 3, and now the 3 ones are 3. So we will write the prime factors of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Yes. Now again we will find the prime factors of 18. So 18 we will write it here, and we will find the factors of 18, prime factors. So we will start with 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9 here. And now we will take the prime factor 3. 3 3s are 9. And next is 3 1s are 3. So we will write the prime factors of 18, which is 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will make the table like this. As we did in the last question, Yes. So we will make the table. Now we will see which are the factors present. 2 is there and only 3 is there. There are 2 factors, 2 and 3. Yes. And the numbers were 12 and 18. Now we will see how many times 2 repeated in case of 12. 1, 2 times. So we will write 2 here. 2 times because 2 is repeated 2 times and 3 is repeated 1 time. In case of 18, 2 is repeated 1 time and 3 is repeated 2 times. So we will see 2 is repeated maximum number of time where 2 times. So we will write 2 into 2. Maximum number of time 2 is repeated 2 times. So 3 is also repeated 2 times. 2 times here. So we will write 3 2 times. Now we will multiply all these numbers together. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So 36 is the LCM of 12 and 18. So this is prime factorization method. Try with other number, and in the next video we will learn LCM by long division method. See you.